welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Uthandoni's team. Hi, today is the day. Finally, Umselegu koka ilobola for Usamge. Umselegu paid lobola for Usamge. Samge is excited, saying she's very happy. She's over the moon. Finally, they have guests today. Everyone is busy kwabo, preparing because they have guests. Abakamselegu, they're coming to ask for her hand in marriage. Umuntu indoda yakhe kept his promise, so she's happy, she's over the moon, she's excited. So Usne is going nabakhongi because ubabakhe asked her to accompany them ayogcokisa uSamge ipinifa, the bridal clothes, because there's no one else Umselegu could ask. Bangene ke kakhwela babingelele babangenise phakathi and then they start negotiating. Bakakhwela bathi they want 16,000 for imvulamlomo. But really, they said that imvulamlomo yabo is part of inkomo, so they're not really like, it's not really bad because if you pay imvulamlomo, it's also counted as one cow towards ilobola. And then bakhale ke abakhongi bakamselegu bathi no, it's a lot, but bayehlisa ke, then they went down to 15, but at least 10, but we're not going to 10 because if you go to 10, you're going to end up going to 9. So we're staying at 15K. So what's in Vulamlomo is 15K, and then by keep again, then they paid inkomo babeka nje imali phansi. They didn't say how much it is. They just said inkomo is 6, including the one in Vulamlomo, so it's 7 cows. So and then babies again amantombazane to come so that they can select their bride. There were 3 girls. And she chose the wrong girl. And then I finally bamvule uSamge, and she was so happy. And then the uncles asked her, uyabazi labantu, do you know these people? Usamge, yes, I do. And then bam excuse again. And then baqala ke babhiyoze bathi they're very happy, everything went well. Baba welcome kahle. Abakakhwela, everything went well. Ikhishwe ke imali yonke. And then they started gifting them with T-shirts and a basket. Apparently it's for uMamezala, but because Namamazala Kamselegu, so it's gonna go to Undlunkulu Macele. And then Usne dressed up Umakwela with the bridal clothes, the pinifane do Atinje. She's happy. Her father trusted her with this task. She's very happy in that nabantu bakakhwela bamwelcome kamnandi. It was nice. It was a nice ceremony. And then ke babanikeze the gifts, the drinks, bahambe ke abantu bakamselegu. And then at Samge, she's happy that Mselegu kept her promise. So now her journey to becoming Mrs. Mselegu iqala manje. It starts now. She's over the moon. She's happy. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.